This is just a quick reminder that winter is fast approaching and we all know what that means. Yes, absolutely, more break-ins, more robberies and more trauma. Prevention is always better than the cure, so act now. Get your home and property secured before it's too late. The facts tell us that a home without an alarm system in place is 4 to 6 times more likely to be burglared and ransacked. But with a monitored alarm in place, you can feel reassured that you have taken steps to prevent all of that grief and stress. A monitored alarm system is one of the best preventative measures that an household can take to secure their property and personal belongings. The beauty of our alarm systems is, they are monitored. That means, there is a backup and follow-up, should your alarm set off for any reason. You will also appreciate the fact that our alarm systems are wireless, which means, there is no drilling of holes in the walls, or no chasing wires in the ceiling or anything like that. It's a matter of attaching the alarm components to a few clips here and there, and we are done. So go ahead and contact us now at 083-405-4037, and we will do the rest. If you need some further information, click on the link below in the description box, where you can read more about our alarm systems. Talk soon, cheers.